Your skin is like a mirror that reflects what's going on deep inside your body. Many people try to treat their skin problems with creams, lotions, or medications, but the real secret to clear, glowing skin begins inside your gut. When your digestive system is off balance, your skin starts sending you warning signs. Today, let's talk about 5 powerful ways your skin reveals what's happening inside your gut and what you can do to fix it naturally. The first sign is an unbalanced gut microbiome. Inside your gut live trillions of bacteria, some good and some bad. When the balance between them shifts, maybe because of a poor diet or too many processed foods, your skin starts reacting. Redness, breakouts, or irritation around the cheeks are often signs that your gut bacteria are unhappy. When you rebuild your inner balance through wholesome foods, enough water, and less sugar, your skin naturally becomes calmer and healthier without the need for strong chemicals or medications. The second sign your skin shows is related to bacterial overgrowth in the wrong part of your digestive tract. Normally, most of your friendly microbes should live in your large intestine, but sometimes they move upward into the small intestine where they don't belong. When that happens, you might feel bloated, tired after eating, or notice dull, uneven skin tone. These bacteria start competing with you for nutrients, leaving your body with less of the vitamins it needs for a bright complexion. Supporting your digestion through slower eating, mindful meals, and giving your gut time to rest between meals can help your skin return to its natural balance. The third sign is inflammation in the gut. Many people feel bloating or tightness after eating certain foods. The biggest triggers are often refined grains, processed snacks, or foods containing gluten. When the gut becomes inflamed, it can't absorb minerals like zinc, which your skin needs to stay soft and smooth. A lack of zinc can lead to dry, flaky patches or redness around your mouth and nose. By reducing processed foods and eating more natural, unrefined meals, your gut calms down, your nutrient absorption improves, and your skin starts healing from within. When inflammation becomes long-term, your gut lining begins to weaken. Inside your intestines are tiny root-like projections called villi, which help you absorb nutrients. When these become damaged, your body struggles to take in important vitamins, like vitamin D. Without enough of this vitamin, your immune system slows down and your skin can become more sensitive. The best way to support healthy vitamin D levels is through regular sunlight exposure, outdoor activity, and nutrient-dense foods. These small changes help restore your inner strength and your outer glow. The fourth sign is linked to how your body digests healthy fats. Your liver and digestive system produce special fluids that help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin A, which is essential for smooth, healthy skin. When your digestion slows down or struggles to process fats, you may notice rough patches or small bumps on the back of your arms or legs. Adding foods naturally rich in vitamin A, like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and healthy natural oils, can make a visible difference in your skin's texture and brightness. The fifth sign your skin gives you can appear as itchiness or irritation that doesn't seem to go away. This can be connected to stress, poor sleep, or diets too high in refined carbohydrates. These habits can throw off your body's natural bioproduction, which affects digestion and nutrient absorption. When you manage stress, balance your meals, and reduce excess sugar, your digestion improves and your skin follows. Now that you know the 5 main signs, let's talk about how to heal both your gut and skin naturally. One of the simplest and most effective steps is to add more probiotic-rich foods to your routine. Natural options like yogurt, fermented vegetables, such as kimchi or sauerkraut, and fresh garden salads made with clean produce help restore beneficial bacteria in your gut. These friendly microbes reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and bring a healthy glow to your face. Giving your digestive system short breaks through gentle fasting can also help it reset. You don't have to skip meals entirely. Simply leave more time between them or reduce late-night eating. When your body has time to digest properly, it can focus on repair instead of overload. Eating smaller, balanced meals with natural protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber-rich vegetables supports both gut health and skin renewal. Remember, that glowing skin isn't just about what you put on the outside, it's about how you care for your inside. Reduce stress with relaxation, sleep well, stay hydrated, and choose real foods instead of processed ones. When you treat your gut kindly, it rewards you with clear, radiant skin that no expensive cream can create. Your skin is always communicating with you. Redness, breakouts, dryness, or dullness are not random. They're signs your gut needs attention. Listen to those signals. Give your digestive system the nourishment it deserves, and you'll see your natural beauty shine from the inside out. Because in the end, true beauty begins in a healthy gut. And when your gut feels good, your skin glows effortlessly.